If a button falls off, it's so easy to replace. And have you ever thought about adding new buttons to garments to give them a new lease of life? It really couldn't be simpler. Here's what you need. Sew-through buttons are called that because, you guessed it, you sew through them to secure them in place. Choose 2 or 4 holes and really make it your own. Got everything ready? Let's go! Place your buttons in the right position. Remember to align it to the buttonhole. Push your needle up through the back of your fabric and through one of your buttons holes. Then loop it back over, taking it down through another hole and back through the fabric. Repeat that process 6 times. For a 4-hole button, do this again through the remaining 2 holes. It doesn't need to be perfect. Your clothing just needs to be worn again. Repeat that 6 times. Knot your thread at the back to secure it. And then trim the excess. How easy was that? You totally just sewed on a button. Now you're all set up to sew. Check out our other videos on how to repair and re-love your clothes.